News: the Karnataka Chief Minister Jagdish Shettar meets the BJP Chief Rajnath Singh. The meeting between the BJP President and Karnataka Chief Minister after 13 BSY loyalists quit the BJP. But both the leaders have insisted that the meeting was just a courtesy call and the BJP government in Karnataka is confident of a majority in the state.
बस मैं इतना फुल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कह सकता हूं कि हमारी कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट के सामने किसी प्रकार की कोई क्राइसिस नहीं है। हमारी कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट अपना कार्यकाल पूरा करेगी, डेफिनेटली करेगी। हाँ। नहीं, बस ये केवल कर्टसी विजिट है, बस कर्टसी विजिट है। I think there is no need to suggest Mr. Jagdish Shettar because he is very intelligent, very sharp, very competent Chief Minister.
More than 20 minutes go to resigning the MLA post.
But I would like to say only that there is no crisis before our Karnataka government.
Today I met him only to wish him for his become a national president. I taken his wishes for Karnataka as a leader of the legislative party, and only general discussion is going. No, up till now, no MLA is resigned. So we have to wait and see what is going on later on. We have to see.
Aishwarya is reporting on the story. He's in fact standing outside Rajnath Singh's residence. Aishwarya, what do you make of this visit? Is it a courtesy call or is it a visit to really tackle the ongoing crisis in the state?
Well, courtesy call, yes, a bit, but then majorly it is a very serious and a very critical meeting between the Karnataka Chief Minister and the newly elected BJP National President, though both of them trying to only give out a view that there is nothing wrong, but then more than a dozen MLAs down south and the only BJP government down south have already resigned, and the newly elected BJP National President Rajnath Singh understands that rather Karnataka is going to be the first problem which Rajnath Singh is going to be facing, and rather in his meeting with the Karnataka Chief Minister Jagdish Shettar, what we are being told by our sources that he has already asked the Karnataka Chief Minister to come out with a contingency plan just right in place prior to the budget session down in the Karnataka Assembly. Though the Chief Minister seems to be really confident, but at the end of the day, it is going to be a numbers game, and then Rajnath Singh understands that as well. Though the senior BJP leadership is trying to show complete confidence in Jagdish Shettar, but they also understand that Yedurappa faction is really strong, and the kind of influence B.S. Yedurappa has over not one or two but numerous BJP MLAs is immense. And keeping that in mind, Rajnath Singh already asking, according to our sources, Jagdish Shettar to come up with a contingency plan right prior to the budget session so that the BJP government down south does not have any problem. That is the first priority of the BJP National President, to maintain the only government of the BJP down south. That is their priority, and for that matter, Jagdish Shettar, what we are being told, is going to come back to New Delhi within a week, and he is going to report back to the BJP National President about what all are going to be the developments according to the new contingency plan which the BJP wants him to develop on.
So do you have any idea actually about what kind of a plan are they working with? Because the BJP has a strength of 117. I think they require about 113 for a simple majority in the state. And the JDS has about 26 MLAs. So what is their contingency plan? How are they going to ensure that there is no further resignations coming in that could threaten the survival of the government in the state?
Well, Harishi, as far as the plan is concerned, BJP national leadership understands that B.S. Yedurappa is a very important factor, but then coming back to the numbers game, Rajnath Singh is the only man to whom B.S. Yedurappa has been listening to even prior. Thus, there is an inclination which is coming in that after Rajnath Singh returns back from Nagpur, that is tomorrow, because he's leaving for Nagpur today. He just might make a call once again down south. Though there is no confirmation on that issue, but then there are reports coming in that the new BJP national president just might once again get in touch with B.S. Yedurappa to try and soften his stance, at least so that no more BJP MLAs resign, because there are already 13 MLAs who have resigned. The first priority would be that no more MLAs should resign, and then those who have already gone should not vote against the government, especially in the budget session. So that is what this contingency plan is being talked about, but it only will rather depends if Rajnath Singh, the new BJP national president, call in B.S. Yedurappa and then tries to come out with a softer stand. But then it is only then if B.S. Yedurappa listens to Rajnath Singh, who has been listening to earlier as well, but then it is going to be a tough task ahead even for Rajnath Singh this time.